She walked alone, in the middle of chaos, a child, wearing a red coat in a black and white world. March 1943, the liquidation of the Krakow Ghetto. German troops forced thousands of Jews into trains to be sent to death camps. And in the middle of this horror, a little girl wandered through the crowd. She didn't run, she didn't cry, she just walked, confused, invisible to those around her, to the world. She was nobody to Oskar Schindler. She was everything. In Schindler's List, director Steven Spielberg made her coat red, the only color in the entire film. Why? Because she wasn't just a child. She was a symbol of innocence, of loss, of what the world let happen. No one knows her name. Some believe she died days later. Some say she survived. But one thing is certain, she changed a man. She changed a story, and she changed how millions see history. This is the power of a single image, restored, colorized, and remembered. This is the colorized past.